What's going on, guys? Nick here at Exotic Motorsports in Oklahoma, and today we have a 2006 Ford Mustang Saleen with almost 200,000 miles on it, and you would never know because this thing is wicked clean. We're going to do a visual condition report starting with the front right wheel. You do have some minor curb rash right there. The rest of the face of the wheel looks amazing. Here on the fender, you're going to have some rock chips, of course. Got one up here. Got a larger chip here that has been touched up. A couple tiny ones here. The rest of that pillar looks nice. The plastic on here looks awesome, as well as around the window. The plastic here looks good. That emblem's nice and clean. We do have a chip right underneath it. A couple imperfections on this vinyl. Got a little chip here. You have some rock chips throughout this area. Overall, really minor though. One here, one there. Face of that wheel looks good. Really small imperfection on the very edge right here. Got a tiny rock chip on the spoiler. Two minor cracks in the plastic. Overall, that looks good though. This trim looks amazing. That is really clean. Looking at the front end, starting with the hood, of course you're going to have some rock chips, really minor scuffs. Most of these rock chips have been touched up. Looking at this headlight, you can see it has yellowed and really hazy. This one though looks really good. A couple scuffs, little rock chips here and there. You got the carbon lower splitter, and it does have some chips throughout. Over here we have a little bit of damage on it, a little cracking. Overall, that front end looks amazing for 200,000 miles. And then here on the left fender, you do have some rock chips. Little one here. That wheel looks amazing. That lower graphic looks good. All this plastic is nice and clean. You got a couple rock chips here on the A-pillar. When you look at the Saleen graphic here, you can see it is cracking It has definitely aged, but most of it is still intact and looks good from a distance there. Couple chips on the door, got a few here on the lower side. Most of this area looks really good with minor scuffs. Little chip on the edge. And then looking right here, you do have some rock chips making their way up. A couple more there. Here on the back left wheel, we have some curb rash. And then here on the back bumper, this looks amazing. You have a little rock chip here. The rest of that looks good. All the plastics look nice. Taillights look good. You have a carbon lower diffuser there. Got a little chip here. You have a little scuff down there. It's just on the surface though. Overall though, the back of this looks amazing. Then here in the trunk, it looks brand new back here. Very clean. All the carpet looks nice. Looking in the engine bay, it looks amazing. Nice and clean. All of this looks really good. You'd never know this car had 200,000 miles on it, how clean it is. You see the underside of the hood, it's gloss black. And it looks amazing. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Now we have our typical separation here on this door panel, which is really common on these cars. The trim here all looks amazing. The rest of that plastic looks good. Looking at the kick plate and the plastic itself, that looks really good. Got your sticker here for your tire pressures. Now we have a little wrinkling here and we have a rip right there on the edge. We have some wear here. And you have some wear on this bolster. Otherwise, for 200,000 miles, that seat looks amazing. Here on the steering wheel, you have a little bit of shine, but I'm not seeing a bunch of scuffs and scratches on it. That looks really good. Little ding right there. Gauges all look nice. Got your Alpine. I mean, all of this looks good. This is so clean. Here in the back seats, that leather looks amazing. I don't see any scuffs or scratches or any type of wear. It looks brand new back here. Looking at the passenger door panel, this upper section looks amazing. A little bit of separation right there and down here. Overall, that looks good. All this plastic is nice and clean. This kick plate looks near perfect. Very minor wrinkling here on the bolster. The rest of that seat looks awesome. I always thought these were the coolest headrests. Got the Saleen embroidered there. That looks good. Of course, you got the autograph on the dash. Floor mats look good. I mean, this side of the car looks amazing.